color matched at Sephora yesterday, but now I'm like, now it just looks even more off. I don't know. In the mirror, it doesn't look that bad. So hopefully it oxidizes more, and I don't know. I'm over it. Okay, come change with me. These shorts. These socks. Okay, here is the finished look. These are from TNA. I got this years ago on Shein. I'm so sorry. It's just a basic long sleeve. These are no nonsense socks. And yeah. Here's the look. The look. So yeah, I really want to grow my legs and get a little bit more cut, so my meals are catered to getting more lean, but also making sure I get enough calories and yeah, just overall macros, so that I'm eating enough and I can grow enough. Okay, let's go do glutes. That was a really good glute workout, guys. I'm glad that I went. This weekend, it felt like I kind of just went after things rather than just kind of sitting on my phone delaying. I got so many things done today, and I'm so proud of myself. And at the same time, I'm taking things slower instead of rushing things and then like stressing myself out, and I feel like that's what's causing me to kind of just sit back and sit on my phone and just scroll, because I tend to procrastinate. But this time was a little different. Got a good workout, got a good sweat, and I'm proud of myself. So let's finish this meal prep. So did my meal prep today. Ooh, I kind of just did like a freestyle. I didn't really, oops, yeah, I didn't really follow a recipe, but I just threw some things together. I like my Brussels sprouts to be like brown and crispy and caramelized, so I'm gonna put it in a little bit longer. I have it at 405 degrees. And then we're gonna wait. I'm watching I Know What You Did Last Summer as background, but I think I'm gonna change it now that I'm about to eat. I love getting these Chomps jerky, but this one's venison and it's really oily. I don't really like it, and because it's deer or whatever, I can't do it. This one's not that good, so. And then I have my coconut water with pulp that I'd rehydrate with electrolytes, and I need to use the Fetch app to put this in. And then I caved in and I got, this has been my favorite chocolate lately, so me and Kawa are really happy that I get to eat this. Okay, even organized my side of the fridge. And yeah, I have all my meal prep ready. I think I only have enough for like, oops. Yeah, so what was I gonna say? I think I only have enough for like 3 days. Sorry, Clara. So, but that's good. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna end my video. I'm about to take a shower. I wanted to try to be in bed at 8 so that I can wake up at 4 so I can get to the gym by 5 so I can film my back workout, but I think I'm just gonna do weekly videos, so I'm not gonna give myself that much pressure. I did so much today and I'm so proud of myself, so thank you guys for sticking with me. My mirror's dirty, and I hope you find this helpful, and let me know if you guys have any video suggestions, just any questions at all. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.